Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Kaylee, and on my channel I post law of attraction, self-growth / care, productivity, and routine videos. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that because we are going to work on ourselves this year and we can be friends. We can do this together and we will do this together. So don't forget to subscribe down below. You know where that button is. It's free. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy liking it, and let's just get right onto the video. So my first tip and advice that I'm going to give you is to save your money each paycheck. So each paycheck you get, put some money back. I'm always told to put 10% back, but to me that's still not even enough money to put back. So I would say do 20-25% or even 50. There is a rule of saving money, the 50-20-30 rule. I will be going over that later on in my channel, so definitely stick around for that. But that's my first tip. Just put some money back. It doesn't have to be much. It in the long run will add up and you will thank yourself later on. My second tip / advice would be to recycle aluminum cans, like soda cans. I know a lot of you and even me, we drink a lot of soda, and instead of throwing away those cans, you can save them. And some places go by pounds, some places go by each can, so why not? That's just kind of like a hobby / extra thing you can do. And I mean, in the long run, if you get a lot of cans, you can make a lot of money off of doing that. And also, like, there's so many times that you're around your family or friends that drink soda cans, and you can use that and recycle it. At parties, there's usually always soda cans. Save those. And yeah, that's that. My next biggest tip I can give you is when you do save your money, put your money in a high yield savings account. I have one, and my bank is Ally Bank or Ally, don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but yeah, it will put interest in your account. So each month you're earning like 1% of the amount you have in your account. Right now with COVID and everything going on, I think like the percent is 0.06 or 0.6. No, I think it's 0.6. So it's not that much, but it used to be at like 2%, which is probably like the highest a high yield bank will get. So that's definitely great, and the more you put in your account, the more it will like add up, and then eventually you wouldn't have to work. I mean, if you put a lot in your savings, give it like 2, 3, 4, 5 years and you don't have to work because you'll have all that money in your savings account that you can use. The next thing would be use apps like Fetch Reward, Get Upside, Ibotta, just reward app. So I personally use Fetch Rewards and Get Upside because you literally use those two every single day almost, basically. So Fetch Rewards, if you haven't noticed already, in my description box I have like a discount / coupon whatever link that you can go to, and you can earn points just by signing up. So why not do that? So Fetch Rewards is where if you get groceries or if you have any type of receipt, gas receipt, like a fast food receipt, grocery receipt, any receipt, you can scan it and it will give you points. And then those points will add up and you can get all types of just different things. They have Visa cards, they have a lot of like fast food, restaurant gift card, Amazon. There's so many options. And then also on Fetch Reward, they have a section where they have, if you buy this certain item, they will give you this like so many points for that. So like 500 points for like a deodorant. So you can also do that to get your points up and earn your money. And then with Get Upside, that's with gas. gas. So every time you drive and you need gas, go to a gas station that you can get cash back. I use this like almost every single time that I get gas in it. Like I've earned like a total of like $80 in like a year. I know that's not that much, but it does add up. And I mean, you have to get gas almost every week. So I mean, why not fill up your tank using the Get Upside? You just pick a gas station on the app, and some will say 3 cents back per gallon. Where I am right now, it is pretty low, but most of the time it's around 10 cents a gallon back, and that really adds up, especially if you get like 14 gallons of gas. And who wouldn't want just that extra money? I mean, I would. And those are just so helpful. I don't even know what else to tell you, but you definitely need to try it out. I have my links down below. It's no cost at all to you, so do it. My next thing would be to get rid of your old clothes, and you can donate them or you can make money by getting an app like Poshmark or just a clothing app where you can sell them, or you can go to Plato's Closet if you have one where you live, and then they can give you money back for your clothes or hats or shoes, and that's another way you can make some extra money. Some other just obvious ones is if you're like a teenager, you can dog sit, babysit, just find a retail job that you can at least work 2-3 times a week, get some extra money. I know where I work, Party City, you have to be 16, so, and that's around the time I was looking for a job, so that's not too bad. Anyway, that's all my advice for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any tips on how to make some extra money and save, definitely leave that down below. I would love to just hear your advice too. And I will see you on Sunday. Bye!